How to download Studocu documents for free. So if you want to download Studocu documents for free, then first you need to open up a browser. Once you're on the browser, you need to simply go for the search and search for studocu.com. Once you've searched, it will take you to this kind of interface where it will automatically take you to the website. And once you're here, you need to simply sign in with your Google account. You need to simply go for the sign in here on the upper right, and then you need to sign in with your Google account. Or if you have not created an account, you need to simply go for the registration and go for with email and create your account. And you need to simply go for sign in with email and then enter your email, password. But if you forgot your password, go for forgot password, and you need to reset or recover your password. And once you've entered, click on sign in, and once you've signed into your account, down here on the left you will have upload option, right? Click on upload, and from here you can drag and drop about 5 documents or more to earn the free premium access. So here you just need to upload any practice material, lecture notes, or any summaries to get the premium. And after uploading your 5 documents, you will receive 10 weeks of premium and get unlimited downloads and views. So what you can do is simply click on this browse my files, and once you click on browse my files, you will need to select the files randomly, and after selecting it, click on submit. And once you click on submit, then your document will help thousands of students to perform better in their studies, and you will get the premium access. You will just receive 14 days of free premium access for approved document. So this was the first method to get 2 weeks of premium. If you want to get 10 weeks of premium, you have to upload 5 times more. Then click on this logo from home. Once you click on this logo, it will take you to the home page, and here you will have the search. And for example, you can simply choose any document that you would like. Once you've chosen the document, you may have a download option. So if you click on the download, and you can download. You can also download it if you want after getting approved the documents that you uploaded, or you can also get this 3-day free trial from SCU. So once you've uploaded your documents, you will get the premium. The more you upload the documents, the more you will get the premium. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.